Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm reviewing this product from this brand name Aveeno. This is their odor repairing cream. I paid $20 for this cream and we get 340-gram product. This cream is fragrance free, essential oil free, drying type of alcohol free. If you care about parabens and silicones, this is paraben free, but this is not silicone free. This is not fungal acne safe, and if I'm not wrong, Aveeno is not cruelty free. So this is the petrolatum based moisturizer. Petrolatum is the fourth ingredient. Petrolatum lock the moisture in and help with transepidermal water loss. Especially if your skin is really dry, petrolatum is a great option for you. This also has fatty alcohols. Fatty alcohols are also great if your skin is really dry. This also has dimethicone. Dimethicone lock the moisture in and help with transepidermal water loss. Dimethicone is silicone. This has glycerin. Glycerin is a great humectant. This cream also has some great soothing and calming ingredients. This has panthenol, aloe leaf extract, oat flour, and oat extract. These are great soothing and calming ingredients. So let's talk about my experience with this cream. I am so excited to talk about this cream. I am just so excited. I've never been this excited to review a product. So what happened was I tried different gel, adapalene 0.1. I thought I've been using retinols for a while. My skin is pretty tough. I started using it daily. That was a big mistake. First few days, my skin was fine. I think it was my fifth day or sixth day. I woke up and my eyelids were burning. I wasn't applying this product on my eyelids, but my eyelids were on fire. I couldn't open my mouth properly. Sides of my mouth was on fire too. Then I looked at myself in the mirror. Oh my god, you guys, my skin was so oily, so oily. Uh, Literally, it's like someone put oil on my face. My pores were looking huge and my skin was looking really dull. It was my mistake. I started using this product every day. It was my mistake. So I was using this moisturizer from Aveeno, another great product from Aveeno. Their Calm and Restore Oat Gel Moisturizer. This is my fourth time purchasing this moisturizer. I love it. But because this is a gel-based moisturizer, it's very lightweight. I needed something thicker. So I googled repairing cream and I saw this. Because I had great experience with Aveeno products, so I thought I will give it a try. You guys, you're going to think I'm exaggerating. In just 1 week, this healed my skin. My skin was absolutely fine. It's like nothing happened to my skin. My eyelids were absolutely fine. The sides of my lips were absolutely fine. My skin was not oily anymore thanks to this cream. It literally sounds like I'm exaggerating, but I'm not exaggerating. A lot of brands they claim that their product is soothing and calming and repairing. You guys, this is actually repairing. They are selling this product as a body cream, but I use it on my face. I don't use it on my body. I mean, you can use it on your body, but I use it on my face and it's working absolutely fine. Because this moisturizer is oil free, the finish of this moisturizer is more on the natural side. It's not shiny, it's not greasy, but at the same time, this locks the moisture in and it's pretty thick. When you touch your skin, you feel it on your skin. It literally make this barrier, this layer on your skin. You feel it on your skin. But when you look at yourself in the mirror, your skin don't look shiny or greasy. I'm just guessing. I think adapalene dried out my skin really bad. It made my skin really dehydrated. That's why my skin was producing so much sebum because it was really dry. You guys, this moisturizer was literally life saving. I love it so much. If your moisture barrier is disturbed, you need this moisturizer. When my moisture barrier was disturbed, I couldn't use all the products that I use because they were burning. I couldn't even shave because it was burning my face. There were only two products I was using. Oh my god, all these Aveeno products I have here. This video is not sponsored. I just really like Aveeno. I just realized it. I was using this Aveeno Calm and Restore Nourishing Oil Cleanser. This is a very gentle cleanser. And when my moisture barrier was disturbed, I was using it without any irritation, and this was working great. It wasn't burning my face. And this cream, these were the only two products I was using. I wasn't using any sunscreen, nothing, because everything was burning my face. So yeah, if your moisture barrier is disturbed, this is a great option for you. I will recommend this moisturizer to people who have dry skin or combination skin that is more on the dry side. This is a petrolatum based moisturizer. In my experience, petrolatum based moisturizer, you even feel them on your skin the next day. So I will recommend this to people who have dry skin or combination skin that is more on the dry side. When my moisture barrier was disturbed, my skin got really dry and dehydrated, and I was using it even though it was really hot and humid here. I was using it. I didn't find it heavy or sticky or shiny. But then again, my moisture barrier was disturbed. I have combination skin, by the way. My experience with this moisturizer was great. I will highly recommend you to give this moisturizer a try. I think you will really enjoy this. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.